Hi, my name is Perez Majid. I'm the service manager for my Mississauga Chrysler, and today we're going to talk about the importance of regular tire rotation. Today we will talk about the importance of tire rotation and 5 signs that you might need to replace your tires. Better tire tread life. With your driving habits, the environment in which you drive has different effects on your tires, quickly leading to uneven wear. By scheduling regular tire rotations, you can ensure your tire treads wear down evenly, which can go a long way in extending their overall life and saving you a lot of money. Better overall vehicle performance. Drivers who don't take proper care of their tires will likely notice their stability, comfort, and performance start to decrease. When you regularly change the position of your tires or replace them when needed, you should notice your vehicle has better handling and stopping on snowy wet conditions. Choosing to neglect your tires can lead to several other problems, such as front end misalignment and poor balance, causing vibration. Better gas mileage. Keeping your tires rotated often helps to lessen the load your tires bear, reduces vehicle friction, pulls, and provides better traction. Therefore, your car does not need to burn as much gas and you don't have to spend as much money. More money in your pocket. Generally, you can save a lot of money by regularly rotating your tires. You can save on gas mileage, but you can also avoid expensive mechanical repairs caused by worn or uneven tread. Keeping your tires regularly rotated means you don't have to buy new tires sooner than necessary. A few preventive measures go a long way to preserving your car. Now that you understand what you gain with regular tire rotations, it's time to decide where to have your tires rotated. Contact us at My Mississauga Chrysler. Schedule an appointment for your tire rotation and oil change with our qualified technicians. Thank you for watching.